The Queensland New Generation Train 2027 represents one of the most ambitious, elegant, and technologically advanced railway projects in modern Australian transport history, a creation that symbolizes the future of sustainable mobility, luxury design, and national engineering excellence. Developed under the Queensland Train Manufacturing Program, this masterpiece of innovation is being crafted with precision and pride in Maryborough, Queensland, a region known for its rich railway heritage and manufacturing expertise. The New Generation Train, often abbreviated as NGT 2027, is not merely a mode of transport, it is a moving statement of Australia's commitment to innovation, comfort, and sustainability. The sleek aerodynamic body, shimmering in its signature silver and blue livery with subtle yellow accents, immediately captures attention. Designed with cutting-edge computer-aided engineering, the train's shape has been fine-tuned for minimal air resistance and maximum energy efficiency, giving it a distinctive futuristic look that reflects the union of form and function. Every inch of the exterior has been crafted to embody elegance and strength, from the fluid nose contours that reduce drag to the sculpted side panels that blend aesthetics with acoustic insulation. Inside, the New Generation Train offers an atmosphere that rivals modern luxury aircraft cabins. The interior features advanced ergonomic seating, ambient LED lighting, panoramic windows for expansive views of Queensland's landscapes, and a soundproof environment that creates a sense of calm even at high speeds. Each coach has been designed with accessibility in mind, offering wide doors, level boarding, and special spaces for wheelchairs and bicycles, demonstrating a design philosophy that combines inclusivity with innovation. The materials used in construction are a testament to sustainability. Lightweight aluminum alloys, recyclable composites, and energy-efficient components reduce the overall carbon footprint while enhancing durability. Beneath the refined exterior lies an engineering marvel, an advanced electric multiple unit (EMU) system powered by high-efficiency traction motors and regenerative braking technology. This system not only ensures smooth and silent acceleration but also feeds energy back into the grid, reducing overall energy consumption. The onboard control systems use artificial intelligence and predictive diagnostics to monitor every component in real time, alerting maintenance teams of potential issues before they occur, ensuring unparalleled reliability and safety. The train's digital brain integrates data from thousands of sensors, adjusting climate control, traction, and braking for optimal passenger comfort and operational efficiency. The Queensland Government's vision for this train goes beyond transport. It represents a commitment to local manufacturing, job creation, and the development of high-value skills within the state. The Maryborough facility has been upgraded with robotic assembly lines, precision welding systems, and AI-assisted inspection units to ensure every train meets world-class standards. The assembly process itself is a marvel to behold. Sparks flying from robotic arms as they weld the aluminum shells, technicians meticulously fitting electronic modules, and automated systems testing the dynamic response of each bogie and motor. This process ensures every train that leaves the factory is not just built but engineered to perfection. In terms of passenger amenities, the Queensland New Generation Train 2027 raises the bar for Australian public transport. Every detail inside has been thoughtfully curated, from adjustable mood lighting that adapts to the time of day to smart display panels that provide route information, Wi-Fi connectivity, and entertainment options. The seating layout offers generous legroom, foldable tables, integrated USB-C charging ports, and vibration-dampening materials that enhance the ride's smoothness. The interiors use sustainable fabrics and antibacterial coatings, prioritizing health, hygiene, and environmental consciousness. The train's air purification system employs HEPA filtration and adaptive air circulation to maintain clean, fresh air at all times. Noise levels inside the cabin remain remarkably low due to advanced insulation techniques and suspension systems that absorb vibrations from the tracks. Even at top operating speeds, passengers can hold a conversation or enjoy music without disturbance. The driver's cab is a masterpiece of digital ergonomics, featuring a panoramic windshield, touchscreen control panels, AI-assisted diagnostics, and autonomous safety systems that assist with braking, acceleration, and obstacle detection. This intelligent cockpit reflects the fusion of human expertise and digital precision, ensuring that every journey is safe, efficient, and enjoyable. The Queensland NGT 2027 is built not just to serve urban commuters but also to connect regional communities, bridging distances across the state with unprecedented speed and comfort. It represents a vital step in Australia's broader transition toward sustainable electric mobility. The use of renewable energy in its operation, sourced partly from Queensland's growing solar infrastructure, ensures that the train contributes to the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions, supporting the nation's environmental targets. The train's advanced traction system delivers high torque for rapid acceleration while maintaining energy efficiency, allowing it to glide silently through urban and rural landscapes alike. Engineers have conducted extensive wind tunnel tests and noise simulations to perfect the aerodynamic profile, ensuring stability and smoothness even under extreme weather conditions. Its braking system combines mechanical and regenerative technologies, ensuring precise control and enhanced safety on steep gradients. Safety, indeed, lies at the core of its design philosophy. Crash energy management structures, fire-resistant materials, automatic obstacle detection systems, and AI-driven monitoring all work in harmony to create a protective cocoon around passengers. Beyond technology, the Queensland New Generation Train 2027 also tells a human story, one of collaboration between Australian engineers, global design experts, and local communities. Thousands of skilled workers have contributed their craftsmanship, creativity, and dedication to bring this vision to life. Every rivet, cable, and circuit reflects a collective pursuit of excellence. The project has created over 800 direct jobs and many more across the supply chain, rejuvenating Queensland's regional economy and reinforcing Australia's manufacturing independence. The government's investment in this project has also paved the way for a new generation of apprentices and engineers who are being trained to handle advanced manufacturing tools and digital systems, ensuring that the knowledge gained here continues to benefit future transport projects. The New Generation Train stands as a beacon of what can be achieved when innovation meets determination. Its impact extends beyond the tracks, inspiring confidence in local capabilities and setting a new benchmark for public transport aesthetics and performance in Australia. From an environmental perspective, the train's low-emission operation, lightweight structure, and energy recovery technologies collectively contribute to a significant reduction in lifetime carbon emissions compared to traditional diesel fleets. It embodies the global shift toward cleaner, greener transportation, aligning Australia with the world's most progressive rail networks. The train's exterior lighting design, featuring intelligent LED arrays, enhances visibility and safety while adding a futuristic aesthetic that looks especially striking during twilight or nighttime runs. The interiors are equally mesmerizing when illuminated. Soft blue and white tones create a serene ambience reminiscent of a luxury hotel lobby. Passenger feedback during early prototype testing has been overwhelmingly positive, praising the spacious layout, comfortable seating, and the sense of tranquility the cabin offers. The Queensland New Generation Train also incorporates advanced digital connectivity, 5G-ready systems, onboard data servers, and continuous communication with central control centers ensure that operations remain smooth, efficient, and safe. Real-time tracking allows passengers to monitor arrival times accurately, while operators can adjust schedules dynamically to optimize network flow. Future updates to the train's software can be installed remotely, keeping the system up to date without downtime. Such digital flexibility ensures the fleet remains technologically relevant for decades to come. The attention to detail extends even to mechanical interiors that passengers rarely see. Precision-engineered components, seamless cable routing, and modular assembly ensure easier maintenance and higher reliability. Each bogie is crafted with lightweight alloys and integrated suspension dampers, offering both strength and smoothness. Engineers have carefully balanced the train's weight distribution to achieve superior stability at speed, minimizing lateral sway and track wear. The Queensland NGT 2027 is not just designed for now but for the future, with modular interiors that can be reconfigured as passenger needs evolve, and upgradable control systems that can adapt to emerging technologies. From a design standpoint, it is both timeless and modern, a visual harmony of aerodynamic fluidity and industrial strength. The front-end's sleek curves and LED headlight signature give it a distinctive identity instantly recognizable on Australian tracks. In showrooms and exhibitions, the train has already become a symbol of pride and anticipation, with people marveling at its craftsmanship and futuristic charm. The choice of colors, Metallic silver symbolizing innovation, deep blue representing reliability, and yellow accenting Australia's energy and optimism, creates a dynamic visual language that resonates with national identity. During its grand unveiling ceremony, attended by Australian dignitaries, engineers, and media, the atmosphere will reflect not just a product launch but a moment of national achievement, a celebration of progress, creativity, and unity. The Queensland New Generation Train 2027 will redefine how Australians perceive rail travel, turning routine commutes into premium experiences. Every time it glides out of a station, it will represent the culmination of years of research, design, and hard work. It is a train built to connect cities, empower industries, and inspire the next generation. Its whisper-quiet performance, luxurious interiors, and digital intelligence will make it not just one of the finest trains in Australia but one of the most admired in the world. As it takes to the tracks in 2027, the Queensland NGT will carry more than passengers. It will carry the spirit of a nation moving confidently toward a cleaner, smarter, and more connected future.